Life is too short for boring communities. Here at Riverstone, it's all about resort-style living, luxury amenities, and a community that really feels like home. Come with me and take a tour and see what Riverstone's all about. And welcome into Riverstone. This community was developed by GL Homes, and as you can see, what a sense when you're walking or driving into the front gate. Lush landscaping. GL is really known for their amazing front entrances and their gates, and as you can see, this one does have 24/7 guards at the gate. So as we drive along and give you a look at some of the homes, just want to talk a little bit more about the builder and the developer of this community. So again, this is Riverstone by GL Homes. This is a luxurious, family-friendly, gated community in North Naples. North Naples location is phenomenal, and we will keep talking about that as we go through the video. Riverstone has 802 single-family homes, all single-family in here, of a variety of sizes. There are 18 different floor plans that were offered by GL in 3 different sections that are different sizes within each. What that means for you is no matter what size of home you're looking for, no matter what price point you're looking for, there will be something that will check your boxes within this community. Riverstone has got 300 acres of natural preserve and 12 scenic lakes throughout, so it really offers residents a serene and an upscale living environment. So you can see some of the variety as we are moving through. Of course, the color schemes and themes of the community all look very similar, different, all with tile roofs, but there are both 1- and 2-story homes, and they range everywhere from just about 1900 square feet up to homes that are just over 4,700 square feet. Most of them have got either a lake or a preserve view, and they are all finished differently depending on how the original owner built with GL. But again, what's nice is there is a variety. You've got 2-car garages, 3-car garages, big, small, anything that you might need with some variety to make your home here in North Naples. One of the things that I love about Riverstone is it really feels like it was designed for families and couples who want space to breathe, with larger home sites, beautiful tree-lined streets and preserve, and a really easygoing but active lifestyle. All right, and I'm going to give you a quick look at something that makes Riverstone stand out. Kind of a little hidden thing. I guess it's not really hidden, but how awesome is this? Right in the middle of the neighborhood with all of this beautiful protected preserve is this awesome walking path right inside your neighborhood. On the other side of the path brings you right to the amenities. We're on the back side of the tennis court. Hold on, we're going to be showing you awesome resort style amenities here soon. So just a couple notes as we cruise along through the community. You can see there are sidewalks on both sides of the street, and again, you can really capture the lush landscaping and the preserve that surrounds this community. Now, I do want to talk about location for a bit because the location in North Naples is truly phenomenal. So it is located just a couple miles east of Interstate 75, and it is right in between Bonita Beach Road and Immokalee off of Logan Boulevard. So it is a fantastic spot. So whether you're going north or south, you've got easy access to get quickly to the interstate. You are just a couple miles to the closest Publix and pharmacy. Your closest beach is about 9 miles, and that's Wiggins Pass. It's a fantastic beach. They have lots of parking there. Do recommend you get there early in season, but there are other beaches that are really close as well. You could go to Vanderbilt Beach, you can go to Barefoot Beach, so all kinds of options within about 15-20 minute drive. You are just about 25 minutes from RSW Airport, the fastest growing airport in the country for mid-size. It is phenomenal to travel in and out of. And the location, as you know, is such a huge part of determining where is it that you want to call home. And that is the reason a lot of people choose this community for their Florida life. And we're about to get into the meat of it, why so many people love it here, and that's the incredible amenities. So I'm currently standing on the full basketball court that is outside here in the outside area. You can see they've currently are utilizing it for pickleball, you know, America's fastest growing sport. So currently there are no pickleball courts in Riverstone as of, you know, this video, which is April, May of 2025, but it is up for vote. So they are trying to pass so that they will be able to add some pickleball courts to this amazing facility as well. And for all you tennis lovers out there, they've got 5 Hard-True tennis courts with shaded cover for in-between games when you're switching sides, water fountains, and of course, lights for the nighttime. And an undercover playground to run out the crazies here at Riverstone. That sign might say 12 and under, but we all know sometimes we got to run out the crazies too. So welcome to the club at Riverstone. This is just one of the pieces that makes this such an incredible community to live. And what I promise you is, this is where you're going to meet your future friends, neighbors, and people that you love to hang out with. All kinds of activities happening in this community. You can kind of see here all the stuff happening constantly. There's a full-time activities director. And as we show you a bit of the club, you've got an awesome party room with a catering kitchen here that you are able to rent out. So if you want to host something or have some people over, you're able to block this off and use it for your needs. Graduation parties, New Year's Eve parties. They also run different events, and this is one of the spaces that they would run events in. And of course, a yoga and an aerobics room, which is another opportunity for you to work out. They run different classes in here. You can come in, use a mat, do some ab work, whatever you might like to do. Everything you need to work out, you can find here at Riverstone. I mean, check out this game room. I might never leave. Oh man, I was so busy making my video, I already got eaten by a ghost. I've been asking my husband, oh, it's your turn. I need one of these in my life. And you can have one in your life too if you move to Riverstone. Free play. And one of the things that GL is so good at is having spaces for everyone in the family. So here we've got the game room. It's pretty fantastic. Right off the pool deck, you've got your pool, your billiards, ping pong, and most importantly, you've got your Pac-Man. Come on, Ghost, I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Oh, it's a little rough here. It's not moving so good. And Riverstone also has an indoor gym. This is fantastic for days that we have bad weather. And let's be true, there's not that many, but what it is in the summer is hot. So this gives you a spot, air conditioned with a full basketball court. They offer other classes in there as well, but it's a really nice benefit to have the indoor sports court. And a full gym and fitness center here at Riverstone. It's got everything that you need. Stairmasters, treadmills, all kinds of machines, balls, weights, everything you need. And of course, overlooking the fantastic pool. And all kinds of covered space outside by the pool, including this awesome cabana with a bar where you can come out and entertain. Now, there's not food service or drinks here. BYOB is how it's happening. But you can see tons of chairs, a lot of other covered cabanas as well. And you've got a resort-style pool with a beautiful waterfall, a lap pool, a hot tub, and we got a splash pad for the kiddos. We're gonna head down there next. so that you can see it and check out what everybody loves about the amenities here at Riverstone. Is this splash pad for your kids, your grandkids, your friends, your family, whoever. Check it out. All kinds of fun stuff in here to give you a little respite from the heat here in our Southwest Florida sunshine. And just 5 minutes from Riverstone is this amazing commercial space. Logan Landings. Just want to share a little bit about what's here in Logan Landings. Sprouts Farmers Market. The first Sprouts in Naples. They've now sprouted up everywhere. See what I did there? Thai Udon Cafe and sushi. Fantastic Thai food. Sushi's not bad either, but you know my favorite is Max. You've got nails, you've got a place to ship, you've got a wine store, you've got an ice cream shop, Oak and Stone for artisan pizza. Everything you need just within 5 minutes. And you definitely want to check out 360 Wine, new wine store open here in Logan Landing. This is the newest location. They've also got one up in Estero. Awesome prices and a great selection of wines from all around the world. Let's take a quick peek. So tons of wine offerings in here. You're able to sip and shop. You can open a bottle of wine and enjoy it with no corkage fee. They also do different tastings. And again, incredible selection of wine here. If you are a wine lover, you gotta check out 360 Wine here in North Naples. So what did you think? Is Riverstone for you? Because if so, we can help with that. You can always reach us on social media. Call us directly at 239-776-6872. So you should like, share with a friend, subscribe to our channel where you can see everything about moving to and living in Southwest Florida so we can help you live joy too.